Okay, so in this particular session, what I want to do is to walk you through how to build business system and processes as you begin to build your business online. Okay, just to give you a little clue about myself, sometimes in 2006, I started my first online business, but for a long time until 2014, I didn't make any significant income. Now, between 2014 and now, I've gone on to replicate a lot of the things that helped me in that 2014 to make money online. I've replicated it for several other people, and that's what I want to share with you here. Now, if you are wondering, okay, so how do I build a business online? I will tell you that it starts with having in place a system and a process for your business. Every business is made up of a system, and a system is made up of three parts: input, process, output. Input simply means what you do to bring people into your business. Process are the things that you do that get the people who come in to actually convert into the clients and customers that you want. And then output is what you are going to get out of your business. And so let me break that down a little more. So now, for every single part of a system, there are also systems running within a system. Now, I'm not trying to confuse you, but here's what I mean. When we talk about input, which is how people come into your business, that is basically an attraction system, a way to attract people to your business. So some of the things you can do include audience building, that is, you are building an audience online. Secondly, you can begin to distribute content, that is, you are creating content or curating content in order for people who are interested in your subject to be attracted to you. Or thirdly are referrals. There are people who will continue to send people to you because of the way you do your business. And let me point out here, if you want to have more referrals, your delivery needs to be great. Fourth is paid ads. So you can always bring people in to do business with you through paid ads. That is an attraction system. Number 5 is media appearances. So if you go on TV, if you appear on radio, those are attraction systems for your business. Those are the ways that you are attracting people to your business. And the last one that I mentioned here are sales invitation. When you directly go out and fetch people, when you directly go out and invite people to do business with you. So for example, churches do that. They go out and share flyers to bring people into their church. That is an attraction system. They are trying to attract people in. That is an input. Here's how it works. You need to be clear on the input you need to be making in your business. That is, these are the things you need to be doing every single day in order to keep your business running. I must mention here, you don't have to be doing all of these at the same time. You can simply just pick 1, 2, or 3 that you are going to start with, and that becomes how you are going to be sending people into your business. Now let's talk about processes, which is what I call the conversion system. The conversion system simply refers to how people who come into your business decide to do business with you. Of course, you are not running an NGO where you are just doing everything for free. You are running a business. So the ultimate goal of a business is to make money, isn't it? What you then want to do is to develop what will allow you to convert the traffic coming into your business to actually do business with you. Number 1 way is to develop products and programs. Number 2 is to get on strategy calls. So you can actually get on a strategy calls where you get to discuss with the people who are interested in your business to find out how you can help them. Number 3 is you can offer people. So let's say somebody buys something from you, maybe a product or a program, you can upsell them. So you can give them a next level, like, okay, you've bought this is the next thing that you need to do. That is a conversion system. You are converting more that way. Another way you can also convert is through one-on-one service. So rather than trying to sell to thousands of persons, you can simply price your product at a point where you know that just working with just few one-on-one clients, working with few one-on-one people, customers, can get you even more money. So that's another way to set up a conversion system. And then lastly, these will be, of course, your business processes. And when I say your business processes, I'm talking about your payment system, your invoice system, your forms, the things that the onboarding processes you have in place. These are the things that you need to set up. Now, let's move to the third part of a business system, which is the output. And output simply refers to delivery. Now, there are basically two kinds of results, two kinds of deliveries you want to have in place. So first delivery is the delivery of revenue. Second delivery is delivery of results. That is, if people come and do business with you, they are giving you money. Secondly, you are helping them create the result they are looking for. If you create better results for people, they will go ahead and tell other people that guy, you need to do business with him. And of course, that becomes a loop of referrals, isn't it? Another input comes in, and then it gets into the conversion, and then it gets into the delivery. So when you are setting up your business online, especially this new era that we are in, you need to think in terms of systems, think in terms of processes. How can I begin to bring people in? How can I continue to convert people? And how can they continue to result in delivery? So you want to have attraction, conversion, and delivery. Now, the other part that I also need to mention here is that if you are considering letting your business grow beyond you, you will need 1 or 2 persons to work with you. So for example, the attraction point is usually the work of the entrepreneur, that does that work. The conversion process is usually a product of a manager, and then the delivery process is usually the work of a technician. When I say a technician is somebody who is very, very good at working out some magic. So for example, in a business like ours, I am simply the entrepreneur. I'm not the person who does the conversion. I'm not the person who does the technical work. I am simply the person who does the entrepreneurial work. So I'm the one who go out to attract people in. There is someone who does the conversion, and there is someone who does the delivery. One thing you can see is this picture here. You can see that it's not just me alone. So you need to think in that time. So if that means that you will need to hire somebody to work with you, that should be something you should consider. The hiring of somebody is not to make you lose money. It's basically to help you deliver better results and to focus on what you do best, which is to bring in money. So what I want you to do right now is to consider, am I really an entrepreneur who brings people in? Am I a conversion person who manages processes and people? Or am I a delivery type of person? I work on the technical side of things. Then find the area that you belong, and then find someone who can partner with you to handle the areas that you can't easily handle. I hope that this particular session, even though it's very, very short, I hope it's been helpful to you. If you want to connect with me, you can go ahead and check for Dio Samuel. I am Dio Samuel everywhere. And more importantly, now with what I've just shared with you right now, I know this may be a little too small for you to kind of fully process it. So I'm going to put a link on the screen right now so that you can actually learn even further and use that to actually help yourself. I am Dio Samuel. Once again, I wish you success in your endeavor of trying to do an online business. Yes, it may be tough. Yes, it may not be as easy as it is painted by a lot of people. But the thing is, once you set up a system, you can be guaranteed of a result or of results every single time, because a system naturally takes care of itself. And if you run with a system, you will succeed over the long run. So please don't be caught up in the euphoria of, yes, there's a new online business, there's a new this, there's a new that, which was where I was between 2006 and 2014. I was jumping from the new idea to the new bubble, to the new trend, to the new item, to the new product, to the new program, to the new style people are using to do business. And that wore me out. I didn't make any money until I decided, let me set up something that will continue to run. And I hope that this is helpful to you. I'm going to see you next time.